Hello, my kings and queens. Thank you so much for joining me in Nanaaba's kitchen today as I present my lovely coconut rice recipe. If you've ever wondered how to take your plain white rice recipe to a more delightful presentation, super flavor loaded, well, here is the perfect video for you guys. You'll find this recipe really useful and versatile. As you continue to watch my videos, you'll see how I creatively incorporate this recipe in a lot of the dishes that I will be coming up with here shortly. So stay connected, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please be sure to do so and turn your notification on too, so when I upload the next videos you will be notified like pronto. Okay, so I have heated up my extra virgin coconut oil here in my pot, and I have added some thinly sliced shallot onions, and I've sauteed it for just 1 minute. Now I've washed my rice thoroughly until the water turns clear, and now I am toasting my rice in the pot until the water is completely dried out, so that way the flavors of the onions and the coconut deeply penetrate each and every grain of rice. Then add your coconut milk, the star of this recipe, and some water, and give it a good stir to get all of the ingredients at this point well incorporated. In the description box below is a list of all the ingredients used and their measurements. It is crucial that you get the accurate measurements or ratio of rice to moisture to end up with the perfect outcome, that fluffy rice dish. Okay, so now you cover it up and let it cook 15 minutes or until all the water has evaporated. Give it a good fluffing up with your fork, leaving all these air pockets in there to cook the rice the rest of the way, which takes only about 5 minutes. Once you trap the steam with your parchment paper or foil in the lid, 5 minutes later, here is that beautiful outcome I was talking about. Look at how fluffy this rice is. Garnish with some scallions or spring onions sliced on the bias. You can serve this with any stew you have available: beef, chicken, fish, just anything you can think of. And you can make fried rice out of this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make it a great day and have fun, especially in that kitchen.